Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your trading setup to the next level, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to connect your Trativate account directly to TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll be able to execute trades on Trativate right from the TradingView platform, making your workflow smoother and more efficient, whether you're day trading futures or just want that sweet charting interface with direct access. Let's dive straight in, so let's start at the very beginning. First and foremost, you'll want to make sure you already have a Trativate account. Trativate is a popular brokerage, especially among futures traders, and if you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up before proceeding. But if you do have an account ready to go, make sure you're properly logged in. I recommend opening a fresh browser tab and signing into Trativate directly. This just ensures that when you connect the two platforms later on, everything runs smoothly and there aren't any issues with permissions or logins. Think of it like having your key in the door before trying to go inside. It just speeds things up. Next up, once you're sure you're logged into Trativate, we'll switch gears and head over to TradingView. So open up TradingView in your browser. For many people, TradingView is the heart and soul of their charting experience. Its intuitive graphs and vast array of indicators make it incredibly powerful, but did you know it can also be your trading command center? That's what we're unlocking today. Once you're inside TradingView, look toward the very bottom of your screen for something called the Trading Panel. It might not jump out right away, so don't worry if you need a second to find it. It's basically a slim little bar that runs underneath your charting workspace. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. This will open up a whole new world of possibilities, as this is where you can connect to various brokers, including Trativate. Now, in the Trading Panel, you'll see a list of available brokerages and trading services. This part's easy. Simply use the search function or scroll through the icons and look specifically for Trativate. Clicking on the Trativate icon is like ringing their doorbell from the TradingView side. This tells TradingView you'd like to start the connection process with your Trativate account. Once you click Trativate, all that's left is to hit Connect. Depending on your browser or security settings, you may see a little pop-up asking for permission or for your Trativate login credentials again. If so, just enter the same login details you used earlier and accept any permission prompts. This ensures a secure link between your account and TradingView. Sometimes this connection can take a few moments, especially if internet traffic is high, so don't worry if you have to wait a second or two. Patience pays off. And that's all there is to it. Once you're connected, you'll be able to place trades, manage orders, and see your account balance, all without ever having to leave TradingView. It's a real game changer, especially if you like to act on chart setups in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Have any questions or snagged on a particular step? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more practical trading tutorials and platform walkthroughs, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.